Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking. Pray that everyone is doing well. So guys, today I'm gonna cook some steak, some beef, some vegetable rice, some chocho, and some plantain with Idaho potato. So guys, this is my beef. I already washed it with vinegar and some salt. So now I'm gonna cut it up with my scissors, guys. I'm gonna cut this up and I'm gonna season it. I'm gonna use the pressure cooker to cook it, guys. It's the last time I tried to cook this on the stove. It takes forever, guys. So this time I'm gonna use the pressure cooker. So guys, as I said, I washed this already with some vinegar and salt. Yes, guys. So guys, I clean off all the fat. I need to take off all the fat, guys. I don't like to cook meat and have fat on it, guys. I always cut off all the fat off of my meat. I don't like to taste meat, the fat in my mouth when I'm eating. So there you go, guys. I finished cut up this. So I'm gonna wash my hand. So I'll be back, guys, because I have to wash my hand before I touch the seasoned bottles. Alright, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so this is some green onion, scallion. This is some scallion and ginger. So I'm gonna put some of that in there. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna cut up some garlic in this. Sorry guys if you hear noise, cars. I'm close to the street. So there you go, guys. I cut up some garlic. Now I'm gonna add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And I'm gonna add some, oh, this is not allspice, guys. This is basil. So I blend up the basil. That's some dry basil, guys. Some thyme. Dry thyme I also blend. I put it in my grinder and I grind it out. So here I'm putting some garlic powder. Some Mrs. Dash, salt-free Mrs. Dash, guys. I know this is a lot of seasoning, but Caribbean people like to cook with a lot of spice. So this is some paprika. I don't use measurement, guys. And some allspice. And I'm putting a little bit of homemade hot sauce. Not putting too much because it's not everyone use pepper. Gonna put some brown in. Well guys, if you cook with browning, be careful because it's very dark. So now guys, I'm gonna mix everything in. So I'm mixing all the powder seasoning in the meat, guys, so that the meat can suck up all the seasoning. So for now guys, I'm not gonna put in my fresh vegetable seasoning as yet because I'm gonna put this in the pressure cooker. So I'm gonna make sure. So after it's almost cooked, then I put the rest of the seasoning, guys. Alright guys, so check it back guys. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put the meat in the pot. So guys, I'm putting a little bit of oil in the pot. Not a lot, that's just a little bit. So when that is hot, I'm gonna put in the meat. Okay guys, so now that the pot is hot, and now guys, I'm gonna put the pressure cooker cover on. Yes guys, so I'm putting a little bit of water on the meat. Pressure it. Now I'm gonna put the lid on. Wait. Okay guys, so in this pot I'm gonna make some rice. So I'm putting some mixed vegetable. I'm putting some mixed vegetables. That's a mixed vegetable guys, so I just put this mixed vegetable in. And I'm gonna season it up with some Maggi all-purpose season. Some garlic powder, and a little bit of thyme. So guys, the Maggi already have salt, so I'm not putting no salt guys. I don't use a lot of salt. I'm gonna put a little bit of Mrs. Dash. Yes guys. So when that boil up, then I'll add the rice guys. Yes guys, so this is some chow-chow. I'm gonna steam this, so I'm gonna cut it up small in cubes. So I'm gonna steam this guys. I'm gonna season it up with some Maggi and some scallion green seasoning. Guys, this chow-chow can eat raw, you know. Kinda have the texture of apple. Only thing it's more crunchier than apple. It doesn't have a taste, guys. It's fresh. Yeah, well, it's have a taste. It's kind of sweet a little bit, but not as sweet as apple. I'm going to put this to steam. Yes guys, so I'm shredding some cabbage. So the knife sharp, so I have to take my time guys. So this cabbage, I'm not steaming it, we're gonna eat it raw. So I'll check you back guys when I'm finished. So guys, I have this carrot peeler, and this carrot peeler do more than just peeling carrot. You can also use it to shred cabbage, and it's faster than using the knife. So I'm here using the knife and forget that I have this. It's faster and it shreds to more finer. See guys? I bought this years ago. This guy was selling them on the street. What street? Which street I won't be saying. So I bought one. $10. And guys, hey, that's the best $10 I ever spent. Best $10. See that guys? It's way finer than the other one that I was doing with the knife. Very nice guys. So this cabbage guys, we're gonna eat it just so. We're not adding anything to it guys. So guys, that's it with the cabbage. I'm not putting anything in this cabbage. I'm just gonna leave it just so. That's it guys. Leaving it just like this. Yes guys, so in this pot, I'm gonna steam the chocho. Alright guys, so I'm gonna tip a little bit of oil. No, I'm gonna use the spray bottle guys. So I'm just gonna spray some oil in the bottom. Yes guys, this is a spray bottle. Just spray some oil if I don't want too much oil in the pot. So guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of scallion, a little bit of sweet pepper in the pot, and some celery. Yes guys, so in this pot I'm gonna put my plantain and my potato guys. Oops, sorry guys. So just gonna cover this down to cook guys. So that's my green pot and I'm either or potato. So for the chocho guys, I'm just gonna put a little bit Maggi all-purpose seasoning and a little thyme leaf. So cook a chicken guys. A little bit of garlic powder. So now guys, I'm gonna put the chocho in here. And then I'm gonna cover it and let it steam. I'm gonna keep a little bit of water in this guys. So I'm putting a little bit of water. Yes guys, so there you go, chocho, and I put a little bit of butter in here. So now I'm covering this and let it steam over here. My plantain is cooking. Now guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in the rice. It's already boiling. And I'm gonna turn off my pressure cooker. Because I don't want it to burn, I'm gonna run some water on it to cool it down. And right here, rice is already washed. I'm just gonna add the rice. Stir it up. And there you go guys, rice is cooking. So this rice and coconut guys, so this is corn, spring bean and carrot and sweet peas. That's the vegetable that is in here. Alright guys, so now let the pot boil up again, and then I'm gonna turn down the stove so the rice can steam. So guys, I'm gonna go let the hot air out of my pressure cooker, and I'll be right back. Yes guys, so I'm stirring up my chocho. Yes, I want the chocho to take on the flavor of the Maggi season. So I'm just stirring that up. And then let it stay there and steam guys. So there you go guys, I'm taking out the hot air out of the pressure cooker by running some cold water on it. So yes guys, there goes the beef. So I'm gonna add some stuff in it. So watch the process guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup in there. Put a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of barbecue sauce, not a lot guys. And I have some teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna put that in there also. Turn the stove down. So now guys, I'm gonna put my vegetable. There you go guys. So this is gonna stay here and cook down. Yes guys, so that's gonna cook down a little bit so I could get gravy, and once the vegetable is cooked, I'm gonna turn off the stove. Okay guys, so there the beef is. So I'm gonna let this cook down for a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it off guys. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna check the rice. So I'm picking up the rice guys, so the one on the bottom will come to the top, and the one on the top, the rice on the top will go to the bottom. Guys, I think I put too much rice in this pot. I guess be alright. So this is coconut rice guys. Vegetable coconut rice. So guys, if you're cooking your rice and it need more water, you could put a little bit more water, because this rice still needs to cook a little bit more. So I'm gonna put a little bit more water guys to steam it. So the next time you see me guys, this rice is done cook. Okay guys, just check on the beef. coming on very good, guys. Vegetable is almost cooked. There you go, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So guys, if you're still watching, please put your notification bell on so when I upload a video you will get it. Please subscribe, like and comment, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your support. So guys, I'll see you guys back in a minute. Okay guys, there go the chocho. I'm gonna turn it off, guys, because I don't want it to overcook. Because I want it to still stay crunchy. So guys, there goes your steam chocho. And the leftover cabbage, I put it in here, guys, because I try not to waste anything. So there you go, guys, that's your steamed chocho. Yes, guys, so there goes my green plantain and Idaho potato. So that is done cooked. I'm gonna turn off the stove. Green plantain, Idaho potato. All done cooked, guys. There you go, guys. So the beef is all done. And maybe I'm gonna let it boil down a little bit more. I'm not gonna boil out all the gravy, but I'm gonna let it go down a little bit more because I still have a lot of juice. So I'm gonna turn up the stove and let it boil down a little bit more, guys. Okay guys, let's check back on the rice. Mercy guys, too much rice in my pot, but guess what? I'm gonna just keep turning it a little bit. And then I'm gonna just leave it so it could fully make it finish steam. Guys, it's a small pot and I put 2 pounds of rice in there. My intention wasn't to put so much rice, you know. But then tomorrow, I don't want to cook tomorrow. So whatever left over from tonight, that's dinner for tomorrow. So there goes your coconut rice with mixed vegetable, guys. Yes, guys, the rice is almost cooked. So another 10 minutes or so that will finish. So there you go, guys. Beef is done. So I'm turning off the stove. Sorry guys, turn off the wrong stove. But there you go, guys. That's the beef right there. All finished, guys. That looks so good. If you're still watching, please subscribe, comment, and share, guys. So there you go, guys. Coconut rice with mixed vegetable. All done cooked, guys. Finished cooking, guys. So that's the rice right there. Coconut rice with mixed vegetable. All done cooked. Beef, finished cooking. Steamed chocho, finished cooking. Green plantain and Idaho potato, done cooking. And shredded cabbage, guys. So this is the vegetable that's going with the rice. That's it, guys. Nothing else. No carrots. That's it. Yes, guys, so here goes the final touch. The rice, plantain, beef, and steamed chocho. That's it, bro. There you go, guys. That's the final touch. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, Put on your notification bell so when I upload a video, you are the first to receive it. Thank you so much, guys, and may God continue to bless you. Take care of yourself until next time.